Hey everyone, Tom is here at MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. And today I have one of my favorite, for these SUVs, a 2004, all right, Hummer H2, one owner, 76,000, well taken care of miles, beautiful yellow paint, leather interior, everything is functional, guys. Let's take a look at this gorgeous SUV. Obviously you can see the added different wheel and tire package, a lot of chrome accessories. I think they bought everything for the chrome accessories on this thing. Okay, just a nice beautiful car. A little touch up here because that's where they normally rust. That's just all touched up with some what do you call that, it's a Rust-Oleum, so that won't come back. Beautiful, excellent car condition. Nice hitch there. You can hook up your jet skis. It does have the third row, as you can see in the spare tire. Super clean, super clean. Same on this side. That's where they normally rust out here with the water dripping, but this one again has been touched up, so that will never come back in play. It's got a sunroof in it too. Obviously the LS motor, the Vortex setup on it. Super clean under the hood. A lot of chrome accessories, like I said. Beautiful leather seats. 76,000 miles. Clean Carfax report. Let's go for a little test drive really quick here. I'm going to mount this up and we'll just go for a little ride here. Bear with me. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. All right. Tighten it up. We're going to go for around the block a little bit. Super clean, as you can see, the sunroof, leather, all the buttons are nice on it. Let me just get this in. You don't find them in this condition anymore with the low miles. Everything works on my H2. No accidents, clean Carfax, one owner. The air ride or the air suspension has been taken out of the H2. As you know or don't know, there's a lot of problems with those suspensions. So we put the car came with the coils instead of the air, so you'll never ever have that problem owning your H2. I think it was a pure design flaw. I've owned a lot of them and they all went bad. Not this one. Real nice and smooth down the road. Brakes feel great. Air's cold. Excellent. MGM Classic Cars is located in Addison, Illinois. If you guys and gals need financing and if your credit score is between 600 and 739, rates are between 5 and 7% with about 10% down, 84-month term, no prepayment penalty. You can fill out a credit application at MGMClassicCars.com. For those of you who have a credit score of 740 or higher, rates are 3-4%, 84-month term, no money down, no prepayment penalty, unsecured loan. Please fill out the application at lightstream.com if you're a credit score of 740 or higher. For delivery, call, text 847-848-1850. We'll get you a quote. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Guys, gals, thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.